Common Lisp is one of the most important languages of all time. In 1958, John McCarthy was pondering his orb at MIT. He was working on AI and looking for a more formal way to describe and reason about it. He conceived of a formal language for symbolic computation, which included an eval function. One of his students, Steve Russell, realized that he could implement this eval function directly on the IBM 704, which led to the first Lisp interpreter. After sharing their progress in a 1960 paper, Lisp's ideas spread quickly. The 60s and 70s saw the development of many slightly different Lisp dialects, including Interlisp, MacLisp, and others. Back then, we didn't have GitHub. People were mailing around punch cards between universities. So when these dialects introduced new features, they also led to fragmentation in the Lisp community. By the late 70s, a push for a unified Lisp began to take shape. The culmination of these efforts was the publication in 1984 of Common Lisp the Language by Guy L. Steele. So why go through all this trouble? What makes Lisp and Common Lisp so special? Well, Lisp is beautifully simple. It stands for list processing. So you could guess that the entire language is based on the idea of lists. A list is a linked sequence of values where each value can be of any data type, including another list. This allows Lisp to have a unique property of Homoiconicity, which allows programs to be treated as data and manipulated by the program itself or even other programs. On top of this, it was also the first language to implement dynamic typing, macros, object-oriented programming, garbage collection, tail recursion, and finally the REPL or read eval print loop. If you want to get started yourself, SBCL is one of the fastest Lisp implementations. If you like this, please subscribe and check out grok.computer. Have a great day.